Look at my bird. Look at it. I'm super excited for tomorrow. I have not cooked a turkey in a long time. This is supposed to be 12 pounds. I believe it. It's heavy as hell. And I will not be able to eat it all. I hope. Please don't let me eat it all. I'll start looking like it. I'm excited. And yes, I really did wait until the night before Thanksgiving to buy my turkey. Actually, I would have waited to get it till tomorrow, but I was afraid it would be too hot during the day for me to carry that heavy ass bird. And it needs the night to defrost a bit. Um, Turkeys are heavy. I forgot that little part. But, see, everybody tells you not to wait to buy the turkey, to buy it early. That's, I always thought was for like a big family. If you're wanting to get a big bird, if you're needing just like to feed one or two people, there's always small birds. Because everybody, if they're going to buy the turkey, they usually get the biggest one that they can find or that they can afford. Because the whole thing of Thanksgiving is going overboard. Cooking enough for the entire building.